Demand for homes in Jackson County is outpacing supply, but real estate moguls say now is the time to buy. Although listings are down about 33% compared to last year, it appears thousands of people are in the market for a home.
What I'm seeing is pent-up buyer demand. So if you take a look at the lockbox statistics, so that's how we get into a house to show it. 10,262 lockboxes were opened in the month of July. 10,000 showings.
Realtor Robin Simpson says people are staying in their homes much longer, too. A few years ago, homeowners were up or downsizing every 2 to 6 years. Now homeowners are staying in the same house for up to 12 years.